Christopher Hitchens says again, thanks to the telescope or the microscope, religion no longer offers an explanation of anything important. Well, that sounds like tunnel vision to me. And Wittgenstein would have said to it, I think, that the great delusion of modernity is that the laws of nature explain the universe for us. The laws of nature describe the universe. They describe the regularities, but they explain nothing. In particular, as Nobel Prize winner Sir Peter Medawar said, science cannot answer the questions of a child, what we are here for and what is the meaning of life. The irony is that it is Christianity that gave the new atheists and everyone else the impulse to do science. Most of the great European pioneers of science believed in God. Galileo, Copernicus, Kepler, and Newton. All of them expected to find law in nature because they believed in a lawgiver. Now, it wasn't simply that they believed in order. It was the specific belief in a rational creator that drove their faith that science could be done by rational human beings made in the image of God.